Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows 11 screenshots are not being saved in the Pictures folder on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in regedit, best match should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to do that, all you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you would do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HK current user folder. Go ahead and double click on that. Do the same thing now for the software folder. And now you want to locate Microsoft. Double click on that. Locate Windows, so scroll down and then double click on Windows. Locate current version and double click on that. And there should be an Explorer folder in here. Just go ahead and left click on that one time. If you need to pause the video and take note of our file path, it's up at the top of the screen here. So one further thing we're going to do is we are going to expand Explorer and we're going to locate the user shell folders right here. There's going to be a file on the right side, a string value. If you don't see it, it's going to start with a curly bracket and then B7BEDE81. If you don't see that in here, we're going to have to go ahead and create it. So like I said, I will have it in the description of the video. So go ahead and right click in a blank area, select new, and then select string value. You want to name this string value exactly what I'm going to have in the description of the video here, guys. So I'm just going to paste it in here and hit enter. Now you're going to double click on this string value and you want to go ahead and paste in something I'm going to have underneath, which will be a path for the string value. And again, paste it in. It's going to start with %, user profile, %, \pictures, \screenshots. Go ahead and select OK. And once you are done with that, you should be able to just close out of here. So if you close out of the registry editor, you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And that was pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.